Hi there, it's Kay here from Teach Your Monster with another quick tutorial on how to share your student logins. Once you've imported your student list, you'll be shown two quick and easy options for sharing your student logins. The first is password cards. You can download and cut out individual cards for each pupil so they have easy access to their login details. I think these would be great stuck in their diaries or tutor books. To share with parents, we've created these pre-written parent letters, which you can edit, generate, and download. And that shows all the login details so that parents can log in to their same account at home and students can continue their learning. You can also access these from your player management area. Click the top right drop-down menu, find player management, and go to the downloads menu. Here you'll find all the parent letters and password cards. And that's it, how to share your student logins.